What's a factory like? Well, first of all, it's loud. There's a constant drone. The hum, I call it. The machines are way more, well, finite, I guess, than people realize. There's a lot of moving parts, and I guess you'd expect that, right? But it's not the same unless you really see it, unless you hear it. Another thing is that they're gritty, kinda dirty, and so machines require a lot of maintenance, cleaning, tweaking, oil, all that. According to the folks we work with, that's most of the job, knowing how the machines tick and how best to clean them. What's crazy is that amongst all the machines, in all that volume, all that noise, the most important things, the least expendable resource, is the people. It's really all about the people.